I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with one of the faves. You know the vibes. Love me here. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into today's packaging. I'm loving the box. It's like a nice little revamp vibe. I don't know if you can see the texture. So this shipment actually came with 2 boxes because one of them have goodies, which I showed you, and this one has the wig in it. So let's get into it. You know, so everything is always so nicely packaged. So before I get to the wig, which looks so bomb, oh my gosh, this sent so much goodies, guys. I'm super excited. So I got these little scissors here. You know, it comes in handy for your lace when you need to like cut away the extra lace. What? Oh my gosh, no. Tell the truth, love me nicey. They sent a whole hot comb. What? And it's branded Love Me Here. What? Girl, no. Are you joking? Like a whole hot comb? I love this. Nah, Disney crowd. You what? You just went ahead and bought your little wig. And you got a whole hot comb in there? Yeah, man. Excitement is very much needed for this one. I'm so happy. Alright, and then I got this rat tail comb. It's branded Love Me. that just made me so happy. This review and reward card. We can earn $100. Stuff it just give you information on how to participate on this card. I got this branded Love Me Here elastic band. Then I got a Love Me Here drawstring bag. If you need to label your units, they sent like some sticky label stuff. They're so thoughtful. Oh my gosh. I got some Love Me wig caps. Okay, everything is branded and top tier. Very professional. A Love Me head scarf. One more Love Me rat tail comb. And I got this Love Me clip. Oh my gosh, it's not finished, guys. It's not finished. I got a Love Me tweezer. And then lastly in here, I got a user's guide. So this is how to care for your wig, style your wig, everything you need to know about the wig and your social media. Everything is on here as well. No lie. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 packaging. Love me and them to upgrade. Step up them game. Everything is just immaculately packaged. Like, they're thoughtful. Like, imagine getting all of that in your package and you only paid for 1 wig. As I said, I got some more goodies, so let's get into it before I show you the wig. I got this box here with these it says Love Me Voluminous Curls, Smooth and Lift. Alright, so it comes in this little bag, this pouch. Alright, some rollers for your hair, and they sent like different sizes. So there are 3 different sizes, like the largest and go all the way to the smallest. So then I got a Love Me clip. Can't have too much of those. Love Me drawstring bag again. Pair of Love Me wig caps. A Love Me scarf. Rat tail comb. Guys, oh my gosh. For today's wig, we have this gorgeous curly bob. It's like a body wave texture bob. It's silky. It is HD. It's a HD lace, and this is a 5x5 closure. It's a glueless wig, by the way, guys. You know, it's definitely wear and go, slip on and go. Don't need no adhesive. Very beginner friendly. This is a wig. It's already bleached and it's pre-plucked in the hairline. Already pre-plucked and it's pre-bleached. It's also tinted, so you don't need to do those stuff, guys. Perfectly customized already. Okay, there are a total of 4 combs inside of the cap for added security, as well as this elastic band, which is adjustable, so you can make it as loose or as tight as you wish, you know, so it really stays put on your head and stuff. And then in the back there are 2 adjustable straps to make it even more snugged on your head. All right, so that looks pretty good. The only thing you need to do with this is literally cut away the excess lace and probably put on a little powder if it needs a little bit more camouflaging to blend or look, you know, very undetectable on your forehead. But this is how it looks. In terms of the specifications, I'm going to be sure to list all of that in my description box, the direct link, and everything will be down there. But this is really nice. The movement is nice. It's very soft. As I said, silky. It's a natural color, and I'm loving it. So you know what? We're gonna go ahead and jump into quickly installing this because it's gonna be very quick, very to the point. Let's go.
When I see you dancing, I'm like,
it feels so soft, super silky, and I'm just running my fingers through it. Very minimal shedding. I have about 3 strands over here, so it's not a lot of shedding going on, so that's always great, always a great sign. So I'm gonna just go ahead and remove the excess lace. So I'm gonna just take my time, and I always try to zigzag the cut whenever I'm cutting it, so it's not really in one straight line. This way it's a little bit more undetectable.
hola, hola, hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah.
Once I cut away the excess lace, what I'm gonna do to kind of get rid of the little cast, it's not that bright, but just to get rid of it, to make it as, you know, melted and, you know, just camouflage as much as possible, I'm just gonna get my powder and tap out that area. And I feel like this really natural makeup look is really giving with this vibe, so I love that. So basically it's really simple, very to the point. It just has 2 settings, high and low, and I just switch it to high to pretty much get it started, and you put it to the middle portion if you want to turn it off. So it's very straightforward. It's branded Luvme hair, affordable luxury wig, and yeah, it got hot pretty fast. I can feel the heat. Okay, so we're gonna test this out. I'm gonna get a little of my wax stick. Like, this is really hot. Wow. Okay. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. Okay, whoa, that's pretty hot. Like, it's really hot. Yeah, it went flat. It went very flat. Okay, I see you, Luvme. That's how y'all coming? Alright, cool. Love that. Definitely love the energy. See that? Flat. I'm gonna add the powder, and I'm gonna go over the curls hair. It's kind of just refresh it.
I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, moolah, moolah.
It's giving corporate. It's giving classy. I love it. Love, love, love. Curls, they fall beautifully. It's very full. The cut is nice. Like, what more could you ask for it? It's ultimately, like, it's really beginner friendly. Like you guys saw. All I did was recurl it in the front. That's it. You don't need to do no edges because I have no baby hairs, no swoops, no nothing. Perfect. You'll be fine. Alright, if it's the first time and you feel like you want to do some edges, then practice. But you really don't need to. Like, it looks really natural, very believable, and you don't have to go through much hassle. But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it though, guys. Luvme, they did it again. Like, honestly and truly, Luvme is very much in my top 5 fave hair companies. Like, it's definitely one of those companies that always bring really great quality wigs, and it's kind of guaranteed quality. Like, to be very honest, like, I definitely recommend them any day. All right, so shout out to them. As I said before, go ahead and check out my description box to find a direct link to this wig, as well as all the specifications if you're interested in getting it for yourself. You know, Christmas is coming. The holidays is coming. Alright? So you don't have to get it for yourself. You can get it for your friend, your sister, your cousin, your mother. Like, anybody. Get it as a gift for them. I'm pretty sure if they're into wigs and stuff, wants to check them look and stuff. Yeah. Well, yeah, guys, that's it for today's wig look. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you found it informative, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and that's it. I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just want to make up on yourself. Bye.